Welcome back, my fellow wealth seekers. I'm Jason, and you're watching the Wealthy Jason channel, where we unravel the secrets to financial success. Today, we're diving into an essential topic, creating a monthly budget that works for you. Enthusiastically budgeting is the foundation of financial stability and building wealth. It empowers you to take control of your money and make it work for you. So, let us get started on creating a monthly budget that aligns with your goals and aspirations. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Is it saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or going on a dream vacation? Whatever it may be, having specific goals gives your budget purpose and motivation. Step 2. Track your income and expenses. Start by calculating your monthly income. Include your salary, side hustles, and any other sources of income. Next, track your expenses. Categorize them into fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and transportation, and variable expenses like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Step 3. Utilize budgeting tools. In this digital age, there are countless budgeting apps available at your fingertips. They help you track your expenses, set spending limits, and monitor progress. Find the one that suits your needs and make budgeting a breeze. Step 4. Allocate your income wisely. Divide your income into different categories, such as savings, debt repayment, and discretionary spending. Start by paying yourself first and saving a portion of your income. Then, tackle your debt by allocating a specific amount towards repayments. Finally, allocate funds for your daily needs and entertainment, keeping in mind your financial goals. Step 5. Create a visual representation of your goals. Visualize your aspirations by creating a vision board. Use images and words that represent what you want to achieve financially. Display it prominently where you'll see it every day. This visual reminder will keep you motivated and focused on your budgeting journey. Step 6. Review and adjust your budget regularly. A budget isn't set in stone. It's a flexible tool that should evolve with your changing circumstances. Review your budget monthly, analyze your spending habits, and make adjustments as needed. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. And there you have it, my fellow wealth seekers. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a monthly budget that truly works for you and helps you achieve your financial dreams. But wait, we're not done yet. I have some bonus tips to supercharge your budgeting success. Bonus tip number 1. Embrace the power of automation. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account or investment portfolio. This way, you won't even have to think about saving because it will happen automatically. Bonus tip number 2. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Take a close look at your variable expenses and identify areas where you can reduce or eliminate spending. That daily latte or impulse purchases can add up over time. Bonus tip number 3. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial safety net is crucial. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to cover unexpected events like medical emergencies or job loss. Bonus tip number 4. Celebrate milestones along the way. Achieving financial goals takes time and effort, so make sure to reward yourself when you reach milestones. It could be a small treat or a special outing. It's important to acknowledge your progress and stay motivated. Bonus tip number 5. Stay accountable. Share your budgeting journey with a friend, family member, or even an online community. Having someone to cheer you on and hold you accountable can make a significant difference in staying on track. Remember, my fellow wealth seekers, creating a monthly budget that works for you is a powerful tool in your financial arsenal. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about aligning your spending with your goals and priorities. Thank you for tuning into the Wealthy Jason channel. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more wealth building tips. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to financial success. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and stay wealthy.